Okay, so today we'll be looking at how to use a Google Calendar. So first things, to get to the calendar, you will go to this menu over here and scroll down until you see calendar. And once you click there, it'll bring up the current month that you're in. However, you can change this to week or day. I like to use month because it gives me a pretty good idea of what's going on for a good span of time. Over here you can toggle whether or not you want to see birthdays or whatnot, or even holidays and stuff like that. So if we go into our current month, and let's say we want to schedule a meeting for September 17th, you go ahead and click in the day and say we'll have a Kines meeting. You can then add your time. Of course, we said it was on September 17th. Let's say it is scheduled for 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. You would then add your guest here. You can also add a meeting if you want it to be visual over the camera. And again, just like last time with the normal Google Meet, you can add your location and a description of what it may be about. And once you have that set, that is pretty much it for a calendar. Of course, you have your normal settings menu button, your search button, and some tasks and Google Maps and stuff like that. So a pretty easy tool and quick to use, easy to use, very user friendly.